Hi everyone, Sergio here. Let's go into spaces. To create one, click on Create Space, give it a name, description, and image. After that, you can invite other people to it, and you can share activities, have a common library among everyone to share and to use. You can add members as editors or as viewers, and you will be able to share posts like images, activities, comment each other's activities, share your activities, and create libraries. You can create different folders as well for different levels if you want. You can create spaces at a school level, at a district level, or a language teachers that you know.